Hi, this is Mark from Winchester Spine Centre, day 11 of the 12 exercises of Christmas. We're going to use the spiky ball again, one of these little plastic balls with the little softish spikes on it. It's a really good self-massage tool. If you haven't got somebody who can get their thumbs into your tight muscles in your shoulders after you've been spending hours slaving away over a hot stove, then the spiky ball is a really good alternative. You can trap it between you and a wall or a door or a window, and you're using it a bit like a bear on a scratching post. You're just massaging into those tight, tender spots, easing the tension in your muscles, easing away the hours of hard graft, bad posture, making yourself more comfortable. You can do it on the floor, but I think that doing it up against a wall or a door is an easier thing to do. Come back tomorrow for our final exercise on the 12 exercises of Christmas.